Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, this is Ghost and I am the admin for ClickWorker Philippines. You can find us in Facebook. Our group name is ClickWorker Philippines. Just answer all the relevant membership questions and do not forget to subscribe to our tutorial channel. And you may also like this video by clicking on the like button, or if you have any comments on how we can improve on our recordings and uploads, please feel free to do so by commenting down below. So for today's recording, I am working on a task in UHRS called EN Maps Intent version number 2. This should be really easy, and we are asked to mark it as maps intent, business intent, and other. Uh, it's common sense to work on this one. Let's focus on this. What is not in scope? Any query that cannot be categorized as business intent or maps intent should be marked as others. Includes weather, climate maps, theme maps, map images to print or use for display, such as the one with the JPEG file or JPEG word on it. Query is not related to maps at all. So let's do the training. Understand the query text. Closest grocery stores to me. Uh, this is business intent. Yep. Northern Canada, that's a map intent. State Route 41, that's map as well. I know. And well, Chicago suburbs map, that's map as well. Yangtze River, that's map as well. When is St. Patrick's Day, that's other. Drive, leave 6th Street, that's map intent. Oh, what is this? Business intent. Why? Doctor. I thought it was abbreviated as DR. For me is an abbreviation of the word drive, so I do apologize. I overlooked it. I was too assuming. Depth map, depth map, Lake Michigan. It's map intent. Why? Other. Okay. It's a good thing though that we are getting these error messages. 14th, that's a map intent. Chattanooga, Tennessee. McDonald's, Eugene, Oregon, that's business. Yellowstone National Park. Huh. What is business? Hold on a sec. Grocery, Yellowstone. Okay, it's a map intent. That one falls here. Maps intent user is searching for a natural feature. Zip code Billings. Map of Billings, it's a location. That's a map intent as well. Other query. As neither business intent or maps intent, postal code searches are not considered maps intent. Let me scroll down here. I overlooked that, but it's not here. Okay. Flights from Kansas City to Mexico, that's other. Vaccine map, that's definitely other. How many major cities are in Alabama? That's other. Where am I? Okay. User looking for is the current location. Okay, that's map intent. I saw that here, but I overlooked it. That's fine. My current location, that's map intent. Whole Foods Boston, that's business. No more available hit apps for that. Let's see if we can take the qualification. Recently worked on. It was, hold on, maps. This one. 10 hits to qualify. Let's pray we pass this one. This is maps 1. Great Barrier Reef, that's a natural feature. Show countries in Asia, or show countries in Asia. That's definitely other. Oh man, this map. Okay, we got one wrong answer during the qualification. This is maps intent. That's map intent as well. Plant nursery, Billingham. That's business. Yeah. Map of Switzerland, definitely map. Weather map, weather. That's confusing. Whether that's going to be other. Yeah. Highway 1, that's definitely map intent. World map, nope, this is other. It has JPEG or the JPG file, that's a photo. So you passed the qualification test. So luckily we passed this hit. Again, the name of the hit is, let me see if we have available. It's there. It's map intent classification guidelines. So we passed it. That was the training and tutorial round. I hope this video helps out. Again, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel channel to show your support. And again, you can find us on Facebook. Our group name is Click Worker Philippines. Thank you all for watching and have a great week. Bye for now.